Hi, welcome. This is Susan Gare showing you how to log into Canva. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Education, Teacher or Student to sign up. And then if you have a Gmail account, you can use that to sign into your Google account and use Canva that way. Or you can sign up with your own email. So I'm going to put in my full name here. I'm going to put in my email. I'm going to confirm that. And then I'm putting in my password. I click here where it says I'm not a robot, and then I sign up. And usually I will say, not now. Now, this is the next screen you will see where you can decide what kind of template you want to do. And I'm going to say, here's teacher is what I'm going to pick. And I'm not going to invite anybody. You may invite me if you like, or you can invite other people who are in the group. That's fine, but I won't be inviting. So I'm going to skip here. And now you can choose whatever you want to create. If these don't float your boat, you can go here to more design types. And there you go. It's just amazing what you can do with Canva. So that's how you log into Canva, and I hope you enjoy this short video.